Guys, good morning. So ito na yung ating beans. Pangatlong harvest na natin siya. Haharvestin natin siya ngayon. Bibigay natin sa ating friend. Ayan, so guys, bigay namin sa aming kapitbahay dito. Ayan o. Can. Ayan, harvest na. Ready na. Ready na siya talaga. Malalaki na siya guys. Ayan o. Okay, let's go. Let's harvest the beans. Can you help me harvest the beans?
Have we got scissors or you just
No,
pick 'em?
just you can
Oh, we got some.
like this.
Right,
Go
that one?
like this, yeah. Just like that, yes.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Awesome big ones in here.
Yeah. All the big ones get my love. Leave it to fallen. Stir fry beans.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh crap, actually you got a little one.
It's okay. It's okay. See? Guys, harvest time again. This is our third time
It's
harvesting.
like plucking a chuck.
Yeah, so easy for
Oh,
you to
nice.
easy for you to harvest my
Look
love.
at these
It's
I
not-
can see.
Even no scissors is fine.
Look how long this bugger is.
Yeah, look
Look
at
at
this.
that.
Oh, see, harvest everything. This is my
Look at
melon.
that.
Oh, yeah,
That's huge.
huge. Yes.
Yeah, look at me.
Yeah, be careful, huh? See another one.
Two big ones at the back there.
Yeah.
She just keeps on giving this plant, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's our third harvest.
Relief.
At least fresh harvest. It's nice, my love. My God, look at this. Oh, wow. Some more, my love. Some more here. Spin. Wow, look at
Just
that.
get one big one.
Yeah.
I think that's it. They're all little ones. Got to grow more. Got
Yeah.
to fatten up.
Another, oh, see, another one here is hiding. Oh, hiding.
Yeah, I think
Oh,
that's pretty big, I think.
this one, this one here, another one. See,
Check the bottom.
check the back. Another one here, my love. Oh.
Okay.
One. Guys, see, laki dami namin harvest.
One, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yep. Yep. That's it. So ito na guys, ito na yung ating beans. Ayan.